Hello, good morning, and it's Monday right now, so I will be recording three videos for today. And I started recording, but then I paused and watched half of the last video, and that's when it occurs to me that I haven't done the Saturday, Sunday, and today the Monday shift. So what happened on Saturday? Aside from um, doing calisthenics, I did not do something more productive. Although when I did go outside, it's raining and I just walk in the rain. I do appreciate that my bag as well as all the things inside of it were not too what they call is too wet, but I also appreciate myself being brave, walking on the rain, not carrying anything, with my headset on or my earphone on, and listening to just the video or music in general, and vibing with the rain. And yeah, that's pretty much what happened during that day. And if I would say, or if I would recall, what is the most memorable thing happened that day, it would be that Saturday is when I search for a better computer at my workplace, and eventually I find it, and I it's not really the best, but it works for me. But it also is an uneven. The other one was, I think, just a 14 inches screen, and the other was 23, so there's a size different. Also, the smaller one was a bit blurry, and all the computers there only support 60 hertz, which is not the best, but it's manageable. And also, I come freshly from the rest day, so I got my watch back because I really forgot I forgot my smartwatch, so I didn't really manage to use it to track my sleeping pattern. But I'm happy that I managed to get it back. I charged it, and then I realized that MPL Indonesia, which is a Mobile Legends in Indonesia, was starting that day, and then another is the MPL Philippines, which is my country. And yeah, that's pretty much what I did during Saturday.